Hey, can I return you some money?
What a unique looking coin pouch.
Do you know that I made it from Scoby? From this, into this, and finally into this.
What is Scoby? Scoby, which stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, is a cellulose material made from bacteria and yeast. The quick exponential growth of Scoby causes many to be unused. Hence, it gets thrown away, which creates unnecessary waste. What's wrong with animal leather? The production of animal leather causes many problems such as livestock pollution, deforestation, eutrophication, and burning of fossil fuels, which all leads to global warming.
How is Scoby leather made? This is how we made it.
Can Scoby leather be a leather alternative? To find out, we conducted 4 tests. Our hypothesis is that Scoby with beeswax is the strongest leather.
The first test was a tensile strength test, which was used to determine how much weight it took for Scoby to tear. To test out how much Scoby will deteriorate with water, 0.5 milliliters of water was dropped onto Scoby leather and left to be absorbed for 2 minutes before repeating the tensile strength test. The third test was a stitched tear resistance test to test the durability of leather when stitched. Lastly, the tear strength test was conducted to test out the extent a tear would continue to propagate when subjected to force.
The results showed that Scoby is the highest dry tensile strength and Scoby with beeswax is the highest wet tensile strength. Blended Scoby performed the worst for both tests. Scoby is the highest stitch tear resistance with blended Scoby with beeswax is the lowest. Scoby with beeswax is the highest tear strength with Scoby having the lowest. Overall, Scoby with beeswax is the best choice.
Sources of error include insufficient weight to tear some leather and non-uniform thickness and mass of Scoby. In the future, we want to find out more such as the feasibility of dyeing Scoby leather and conducting further tests on how the temperature and duration during dehydration affects leather properties.